I'm Gina Wyman. I'm from Tacoma, Washington, and this is Skoolie Ingit. And come into my bus. It's not the biggest bus, and it's not the cleanest bus, but it's my bus. So here's my bed, and eventually we're gonna get the plumbed toilet in here. So right now I just have a porta potty, and then I got my stove and oven and a new cabinet there and a sink and junk drawers. And for Christmas I got a full-size refrigerator.
It's sort of strange how the things that we buy ourselves for Christmas. I bought a tankless hot water heater a couple years ago.
Yeah, so my boyfriend got me that for Christmas. So
there you go.
And I added this touch, and they're all stuck in there, and there's a nice shelf on it, and I love them because I fit so much stuff in them.
Sure.
And the tongue and groove on the ceilings, I'd taken it all out and insulated the whole thing.
Yep.
Yep, like my little bus.
Sure.
It's fun.
Now, how long have you been on the road?
Off and on since March.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now,
I retired full time, so retired in March.
Okay. Do you have solar, or is that
no?
like
That's
down
in the
the
process.
line?
It's in the process. Probably before we go back to Washington, we'll get solar.
Right.
So we've been talking.
It's sort of nice out here in the desert having that because
yes,
it's all day long.
I know it is.
No trees.
No trees. It's great. It's way better. And I've heard about the different ones to go on and what not to get because we live in Washington and.
Right.
Of course,
in the summer,
yeah.
Well, by the time this video's out, I will probably be back in New York, but I visited the Pacific Northwest, so.
Yeah. So I'll be getting there, doing my solar.
I do like the use of the fruit crates because
I love it. It just gives it so much more space.
Yeah.
And it's up out of the way, and I don't have to worry about it. Yeah. And most of it has stayed pretty good since we've left. And I found this really cool tape that I used that glues everything.
Now, do you have storage under the bed? Or
I do.
Or is that where, like, water tank? Or
actually, we were going to put the water tank up there, but we have it under the roof. So actually, this lifts up, and then there's also storage under that, too. So I have double storage under the bed. Oh,
and I like he's got the net so that everything's can breathe.
Yeah, that actually came with the bed.
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah, so we have this, I usually put just the blankets and stuff under there, and then I have the storage under that. And we were going to do the water tank under there. Ran out of time, put it on the roof, thank God, because we found leaks in it. But we did fix that now, so. But we still might store it under the bed, give us more space.
Well, thank you.
All right, well, thank you.
And do you have any social media or anything?
I am on Facebook, so it's Skoolie Ingit Gina on Facebook.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hope you enjoyed that video, and remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right, see you next time, YouTube. Bye.